LA's if you got one.
She wants a lean, she want the Gucci. I ride with some harness on me, I got the blue cheek. Pull up in a Jeep, I put it on for a G. I want your body, give me a slap top on the front seat.
What's up, Bada gang? It's your girl Bada. Yes, this is a different type of video. I'm going to attempt to do some box braids, so I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, so guys, yes, this is the first time I've come natural with my hair. My hair is like raw level, so I've been growing my hair for two years and I think 3 or 2 months or so. Yeah, so this is it. This is it, guys. My hair is currently dry right now. I have no idea why. Yeah. But guys, no further ado, obviously, I'm going to attempt to do box braids myself. You know, you guys keep asking me to do some natural hair videos. Obviously, I'm not an expert for natural hair. I'm still kind of new, fairly new. But I might do another video of just my natural hair because obviously a lot of people want to ask. Like, a lot of people ask me why I use some natural hair. Obviously, before I get into this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family. And obviously, if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you are not and you're a returning subscriber, welcome as well. I love you so much. I'm going to blow dry my hair, and I may actually straighten my hair as well, you know, to keep it tamed. Oh, before I even get into it, let me show you guys what I'm going to be using. So these are Xpressions I'm using. I'm going to use 2 color ones and 2 color 1Bs. I spoke to my friend and she said that if I want it long, I should cut it into 2. So I'm going to be using, in this tutorial, I'm going to be using this Gummy Bear. I keep calling it Gummy Bear. I don't know why I got that. I don't know where I got it from. Gummy Professional. So this is the edge control. This is what I use on my edges, and I use this to slip my hair. I'm going to be using this comb. I'm going to be using this just to hold my hair up. No snag rubber elastic bands. This paddle brush of Xpressions. It's the straighteners that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this hot comb just to, you know, snag some parts of the edges or whatever where I can't get with my straighteners. Let me go blow dry my hair and come back. Quick blow dry because I'm going to straighten my hair so I don't want to put too much heat. That's funny. That's this. I just straightened my hair. Literally blow dried it, straightened it. Yeah, so just straighten my hair. Awesome. Cut here. My hair. Now time for the braids. Wish me luck. You guys can probably tell I have to change the scenery. So guys, this is my first attempt, so if I get it wrong, don't jump on my necks, please. I mean, everyone makes mistakes. Shout out to the chick natural because obviously I'm going to be following you and to do this jumbo tutorial. Neat and easy. She said neat and easy. Let's find out. Okay, I'm going to start with the middle because she started with the sides.
So I've done my first section and now I'm taking some of this coconut oil.
Girl, you be moving too quick. Let me just pause it apart. Get my middle part in. Guys, can you see it? If it's straight. I don't know if it's straight. I'll show you guys from the back. Is it straight, guys? I don't know. Didn't think this through, did I? Okay, didn't. If it's not, it's not. There's nothing I can do about it at this rate. Lord, please be with me during this time because I don't know what I'm doing at this rate. Oh, okay. Shaking the table. Well, the rubber bands I have are too thick, so I want to stick with this. I will use two together, just so it doesn't snap. So obviously she done it in a sense where she wanted the middle part. I'm gonna do the same thing. I want the middle part, and I want the option to have sides. So do not even act like I know what I'm doing. I'm doing the most. So I'm gonna start with the sides. She does 3 on each side. So I should do it from here. I'm just gonna part it as if I'm gonna do braid. I felt the main thing is the front that needs to be perfect. The front, she did a front quite big. I'm guessing this is how it looks, how it's meant to look like. Yeah, okay, cool. So I'm going to be using this Gummy Bear. I keep saying Gummy Bear, I don't know why. So I'm going to be using this Gummy edge control, and I'm just going to place it onto my the perimeters. I want to add like a, you know, the perimeters of the box. Let me use this comb. I ain't got time for these little baby brushes. She twisted it like this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you know how I do this with these claws. Who sent me? These are not even nails anymore. They're actually claws. The twisting method. Nah. Decent, right? Decent start.
And I'm gonna make a ponytail with these.
Less, if you guys can see it, I'm gonna try to do it less back because this one's back, so I'm gonna try to do it less back. But so yeah. This twist method is actually very helpful. I don't think I'll be able to pack it as neat, as flat. Guys, I'm just going to do the front and then the rest off camera because I'm not going to lie to you, this is harder than it looks like. It's actually packing quite nicely. Alright, cool. Okay, cool. This could be a new hairstyle, mates, right? And then this one is a bit further back. Okay. Yep, I think it's it. Well, we're just gonna have to go with that at this rate. This is taking long. This is taking longer than expected. But right now I'm looking like a rugrat. Look at this result. I look a little bit tired. I'm gonna lie guys, I was sweating. Like hopefully it's straight. I'm not gonna lie. The squares went into disaster. I thought, you know what, I'm gonna just do my own shapes at this rate. But yeah, now I look like a rubber. So guys, I've got this Xpressions. This is in colour 1B. My friend simply told me to pick. I have to pick it. I don't know how that's meant to work. This is how it is, Xpressions. I think I'm meant to do it into 2, I think. That's what she told me to do. This, I'm guessing, is what she meant. So cut into 2. Let's cut it in.
You have to pull it properly. Hold on to the hair properly and pull it.
Okay. I'm just gonna have to work with this. So this is one of the bundles.
Each pack, and I
Okay, she took quite a lot. Okay, so she looks like she had like. Okay, I'm guessing like this. I think this is the amount she used.
Here for one of the sides, so now I have 3 ends coming down instead of 2. 2. And I twisted that middle piece around a few times so it all holds together.
So she did some knot thing I don't even know at this rate. Okay. Let me just remember what I've just done. Do you know what? We just have to move it. We'll see how the first one looks like, and then from there we'll decide. Can I even part this? Like, okay. So I'm literally just going to do what she says, make it tight. Okay, I feel like the braid's coming along. It doesn't look tight. Okay, attempting my first braid. It looks neat. Okay, so far it's looking decent, but it's coming out quite short. Okay, so my mum told me that in order for it to, I need to basically add extensions to make it longer because somehow it's not long enough. Yeah. But then I feel like it's gonna look alright when I put the rest of it. That makes sense. But then if I like do it to the side like this,
Yeah. That's what I was looking like this.
it's looking gappy. Like, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 to the front. 23. I've got 23. So far I've literally braided a little bit of that, like half of my hair. So far I really like it. So far it's cute. Let's need to do the rest of it. And let me not lie to you guys, and I like it's the same day, it's not the same day, it's the next day. I just want the same outfit just for continuity reasons. I like it's the same day. Hey, we're here. But yeah, so obviously I followed the tutorial. I think my head's a bit cropped, so let me just adjust that a little bit. Obviously, as you guys can see, my hair is done. Let me get close to the camera so you guys can see it. Obviously, it's not perfect. Obviously, trial and error. I done as the best I could do. Obviously, I don't know how to really feed into braids. Obviously, I had some fly outs, like leave outs here by accident. I just don't want to cut it because I'm scared that might be my real hair. We move. Yeah, so obviously, just to kind of tame the whole thing and kind of make it, conjoin, kind of disguise the flaws. So I've got some leftover accessories I have. From my previous hairstyle that I've had. I've only got a little bit left. Hair clips, hair beads, whatever. So I'm just gonna put it on my hair to accessorize my hair, whatever, when we move. I'm staying at home when quarantine, no one's gonna see it, so it's fine. I literally just put hot water at the ends just to make sure that it doesn't unravel itself. And yeah, I forgot to get scissors, so be right back. I won't lie to you, I'm just gonna freestyle it. I feel like you can't really see my hair. Let me just, okay, this is better. Pour it out. I've only got, I've got 13 beads to freestyle with. So, just leave it open. I'm just gonna do it on random sections of the hair. I think the main thing is just the fronts, because I feel like you don't really see, you're not gonna really see the back and the middle, so there's no point of waist accessories on that section. All you just do is open it like that. I just got mine from the beauty supply store. Okay, I think that's enough, right? I don't want to over accessorize. So yeah. Okay, let me put it all back. Actually, a joint effort between me and another YouTuber. She doesn't know that yet, but you know what I'm saying. I followed her, I literally copied her guidance, so obviously shout out to her. I'm gonna leave her information down in the description below. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and share it with friends and family because it does really help. And obviously I appreciate the love so far. Keep it coming, keep it rolling, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, guys. Bye guys.